Hi everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unboxing what I've got from Paris. So here they are, a couple of bags from Chanel and one from the Ritz. Sit tight and let's dive into it. So the first one, let's open the one from the Ritz. And it's the world famous teddy bear bag charm. The little teddy bear is so cute and is very small and got the hanging chain there, and the hat, you can see the little Ritz there, but you can see the hat is movable. I hanged it on straight away after I've got it onto my bag, and then I walked around. I thought, where is the hat? And then I thought it's on his chest. I think the thingy is got an elastic band. The position can be adjusted, so it's so cute. You can move it down lower, you can move it up higher. You can see the uniform. It's just such a cute little thing. I'm never a fan of teddy bear or fluffy toys, or what those fluffy toys are called, you know, people queue up for. I can't remember. When I was in Hong Kong, I saw this like a little poodle dog. I almost got it, but I'm over 50. Teddy bear or fluffy dogs, it shouldn't be just like my thing. It was never ever my thing, even when I was in my younger days. But anyhow, so I got this. I think it's the cutest little thing that ever makes me smile, and it's so cute. The next one is the one that I've got from Avenue Montaigne store near my hotel, and this one is camellia on the outside, and basically I just got one thing, and this is like duty free as well, so it was a good price, you know, because I saved about £100 maybe on this. Let's just get rid of that. Chanel bag. Open up. It's a brooch. It's kind of like the leather braided brooch. It's being strapped on. Let me get it off. With like this, just basically with leather braided around it, and it's champagne gold, and there's no jewels on them. There's no embellishment on it, so it's all metal. I believe learned the hard lesson that the embellishments and crystals, they just get missing after a while. This is a really beautiful brooch, and quite weighty, but somehow it doesn't say the year is. It usually they have a little something on the back. It says Chanel, what year it was. I mean, the vintage ones definitely used to have, but the newer ones, they don't have it anymore maybe. But on the back there's a little pin. There is a double C logo there. So if I put this on, you can have a look, see what it's like. So yeah, it's quite pretty, and it's definitely, I can just put this on my jacket and other things. Really pleased with it. I mean, if you want to know the price, 720 euros, 100 euros cheaper. So the next one, this is the white paper bag from Rue Cambon, and it's very special. I mean, I wish I got something bigger, but the thing is, everything I asked, they didn't have them in stock, so therefore I'm not going to chase it just for the sake of getting something, maybe regret it later. So I'm getting very sensible these days, but quite sensible. So this is the white camellia again, and the ribbon. So it's the box here. Let's see, it's a pouch again. So here is the product care little leaflet. So here is a pair of earrings. I mean, this pair of earrings is similar sort of a color, and it's like a gunmetal vintage looking. I really want to get something that's slightly a bit dangly. Let me take this off so you can see. I put it on, how they look on me. Obviously you couldn't really try them in your piercing because due to hygiene reasons, but because this here, it has sort of like a demi, sort of like a stone. I'm not even sure what the stone is, but it's just some dangling thing there. You can see at the back, this one got a little disc. It says tell you the year, or than just the Chanel regular stopper. And because it has this demi jewel on it, and therefore this pair of earrings is quite expensive, quite pretty. But also I can wear this for the day, like during the day for daytime, and also I can wear this in the evening. So it's something quite versatile and it's quite timeless. It's not like with those sparkle crystals and pearls and things like that. And you can see it's nice and subtle, and this is like makes a nice matchy set. Price of the earrings 1,010 euros. For the duty free, I would get 131 euros back, 820 for this pair of earrings. So it's quite a lot of money for it. It's Chanel, it's a pair of Chanel earrings, and then I'll wear this a lot, and these are just very, very pretty. I didn't want to get the Matthew Blazy's, but they're too playful, I don't know. I mean, I'm a boring old person, and I didn't really want to have those fun earrings, and you know, the little duckling or the coral, it just doesn't really suit me. So I just went for these. This is like safe option and forever classy, and they just basically versatile, goes with everything. Earrings and my little teddy bear and the brooch. So it's just something that is all I would put them into use into my daily outfits. It's just something that I always buy, practical things that I would use them, and so they become part of me, part of my, you know, daily, monthly, yearly, you know, on rotation sort of items. They're just very pretty and very versatile. Is a Chanel, is always a Chanel. So that's my theory. And that's it, that's today's video, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the purchases from Paris and from Chanel, from different stores, and my little cute teddy bear. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, give my video a like, and leave a comment. Let me know which item is your favorite. So until my next video, see you then, bye.